Did you know that without the moon, our Earth would be spinning so fast that a day might last only 6 hours? And those gentle ocean waves, they'd turn into something far more chaotic. The moon isn't just a pretty nightlight. It's holding our planet together in ways you wouldn't believe. Welcome to Science Decoded. Today, we're diving into a fascinating what-if scenario. What would life be like if Earth had no moon? Before we jump in, let us know in the comments, what do you think is the most important role the moon plays for Earth? The moon's been our companion for billions of years, but what if it disappeared? Let's find out. The moon's gravitational pull is more than just a romantic notion. It's the driving force behind our tides. Without it, the tides would shrink to almost nothing, throwing marine ecosystems into chaos. Coral reefs that depend on the tides, gone. Migratory fish patterns, completely disrupted. But it's not just the oceans. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, keeping our seasons consistent. Without it, Earth's axis could wobble wildly, creating unpredictable and extreme weather patterns. Imagine snow in the Sahara and heat waves in Antarctica. Let's talk wildlife. Animals that rely on the moon, like sea turtles and certain bird species, use its light to navigate and reproduce. Without it, entire species could face extinction. And humans? Ocean currents, driven by tides, regulate global temperatures. Without those currents, we could see dramatic climate shifts, leading to devastating storms and droughts. Even human culture would be impacted. No moon means no lunar calendar, no harvest festivals tied to full moons, and maybe even no astronauts landing on a lunar surface. The most catastrophic effect? Earth's rotation. Without the moon's gravitational drag, our planet would spin faster, shortening days and intensifying winds. This rapid rotation could amplify extreme weather events, making Earth a far harsher place to live. Life, as we know it, would be on the brink of survival. The moon is more than a celestial neighbor. It's a guardian, a stabilizer, and an enabler of life on Earth. Without it, our planet would be unrecognizable. What do you think Earth would be like without the moon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, check out our other deep dives into the mysteries of space and science. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Science Decoded.